KatTopf, and my biotechnology tool was forensic toxicology. Forensic toxicology became more popular when poisoning became a popular method of murder in the late 1800s. Forensic toxicology is used to help determine the causes of accidental deaths and suicides. First extensive work was published in 1813 by Matthew Orfila. He is a Spanish chemist and a physician who is often called the father of toxicology. His work showed the need for adequate proof of identification and the need for quality assurance. His work also recognized the application of forensic toxicology in pharmaceutical, clinical, industrial, and environmental fields. The job of a forensic toxicologist is to perform tests on bodily fluids and tissue samples to identify any drugs or chemicals present in the body. And that is a picture of the body of toxicology. Some of the expected applications, and the field has grown to include drug testing for employers and traffic enforcement officials, testing on animal samples for wildlife criminal investigations, testing for day-grade drugs, and performance-enhancing substances. Forensic toxicologists will isolate and identify substances that may be in the body that can contribute to a crime, like alcohol, illegal or prescription drugs, other chemicals, poisons, metals, or gases such as carbon monoxide. Forensic toxicology has grown to include some unexpected applications involving environmental contamination, such as the impact of oil spills on populations, and LC-MS stands for liquid chromatography mass spectrometry, which was developed because of forensic toxicology, and it is the preferred method of analysis over traditional analysis for both qualitative and quantitative analysis because of less sample preparation and faster and accurate results. General unknown screening has the ability to detect and identify unexpected drugs, drug analogs, and drug metabolites for testing. And that's an example of what a general unknown screening result would look like. Some of the advantages of forensic toxicology are isolating and identifying substances in the body, and because it can provide evidence when linked with a crime. Forensic toxicology includes knowledge about the absorption, distribution, and elimination characteristics of such substances in the body, as well as the manner in which the body responds to their presence and factors which determine drug safety and effectiveness. Some of the disadvantages of forensic toxicology are the toxicologist must document every step of the process and make sure they follow rules regarding the chain of custody for physical evidence. Forensic toxicology is not an exact science because it cannot be answered in exact terms. Sometimes experts will disagree because of differences in opinion, ignorance, or lack of objectivity. All the measurements are approximations, so there's uncertainty in the results. This poses questions when the results are brought to trial because the jury cannot always rely on data.
Any questions? No questions? Okay.